Hello po mga kakuracha, magandang araw, mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Hello beautiful people, kamusta po kayong lahat? Tinetesting ko lang po ang aking babagsak, wait lang. Hello po mga kakuracha, hello beautiful people, kamusta po kayong lahat? Salamat po sa mga bagong subscribers, sa mga bagong mga manonood, at sa mga likers, at mga commenters. God bless us all, mga kakuracha. Ngayong araw po na to ay magkikita-kita kami ng aming mga kapatid. So, ano ngayon? Kasi po magta-travel na naman po sila. Ang kakapal po ng mukha nila. Wala po silang ginawa kundi mag-travel. Samantalang ako ito, panay ang work. Joke lang. I'm happy for them. Wow! So, nga pala, I would like to thank my couturier who made my dress. Kukur tinahin. O hindi This is worth like $50. Oh, $50, diba? Is ganda. Di po ba? Para po akong, ang tawag dito? Pink na pink. So, ngayon, magkikita-kita kami. Yun lang po. I-video ko rin po lahat ng mga kaganapan ngayong araw na to. Shout out kay Chatty. Ang kulit ko daw, sabi ni Chatty. Hindi makulit ba ako? Sige, mamaya ulit mga fracha. So, ito po ang ating OOTD, outfit for the day. King! Specially made from Target. Aalis na po kami. Nihintay ko lang si Don Paratot. Matagal gumayak. Kasi may ginagawa pa siya. Bye-bye po. See you later. Alligator.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
On our way to our brunch on Denny's Resto. Hindi natuloy nung nakaraan. Ngayon naman. I would like to thank my sponsor for my sunglasses. Don Paratot. Bumati ka naman sa ating mga kakuracha ka business. Ay. So, papunta na po kami sa aming... Nasaan po kayo? Wala akong makita. Nagsuot na sa labas, walang makita. Pil na pil ko po ito. Diba? Later. Saan sila? So, nandito na po kami sa Denny's. Update kami. Hindi naman, sakto lang. So, ayun po, from Denny's. Nandito na yung mga ka-date namin. Ayun, latte. So, yung ka-dates. O, Piolo, bumati ka naman sa atin ng kakuracha.
Ako iigit.
Nirecord mo pa ang ito.
Balita ako yan.
Gusto na kayo. Gusto na po.
Ayos lang. Ayos ka na? Ayos lang.
Wala pa yung aming
Tatawag. Mali.
Ha?
Sabi ko,
File ba? So,
Hindi.
always daw.
Kasalukuyan po siya nagre-review ng kanyang exam kung ano kanyang order.
Nandiyan na si
Sama
Gilbert.
natin si
Wala pa.
Don Paratorching.
Isang buwan ba siya?
Yan po. Kaway ka naman sa ating mga kakuracha. So, ano po ang napipisil ng iyong bituka? Bituka talaga. Order po muna tayo mga kakuracha. So, ito po ay Dennis Restaurant. Huwag natin po ng kapitbahay baka ang short. Ayan ang ating star of the day. Wearing.
Buti mo. Tamad ako.
Diego ng ano ni Gilbert.
Ang gusto ko
San Diego.
ay
Ano siya eh, first
Japan
class siya eh.
Airlines.
mango
Yes,
smoothie.
ma'am. Pinakita mo yung first class.
Vanilla yogurt.
Okay, let me go right here. Hot coffee.
So thank you for this wonderful what?
I was gonna bring
Ang dami kong ano.
when we were gonna play, we were gonna pick up.
Okay.
Oh, you didn't pick it up.
Yes,
Pick
yeah,
it
we were gonna. I was gonna go and say, we're late. Okay.
I like your shirt. Where's ours?
Go to Alaska.
They're offering us free Alaska cruise.
Oh, yeah?
Vancouver.
Yeah, that's good. How many days?
Look at you. 7 training. Even your
The flight to Vancouver is cheap.
We're not available. It's going to be
dami. Thank you.
I know.
Look at this.
You want to go, but then
Yeah. Love it. Ang aking mga ugat.
Yeah, and we have some in the freezer, but I think it's not.
Which one?
Smoky. I'll bring some next time.
Phuket, Thailand.
Yeah, I was looking at that up there.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Welcome.
Order mo.
Yes, are you?
This is our superstar.
We had a great time.
Good.
Of course, any vacation we have a good time, right?
Yeah. His dad is not too impressed though. His dad, what did your dad tell you?
I need to work on my acting skills.
Who said?
My
His
father.
dad. They've been watching the videos. So.
Can you tell your dad that next time I'm gonna take a video of him? Let's see his
Okay.
acting
Oh,
abilities.
he's a natural. I think he's not. I don't think he'll be afraid of you know,
Excuse me.
talking and.
How you go?
Thank you. Where's the I'm gonna keep my magnet.
And cup of coffee.
Thank you, sir.
Careful, hot.
Do I get the cheeseburger or I thought they were like classic. Oh, that must be IHOP. What is the burger? Which one do I usually get here?
The classic.
Yeah, I don't.
Wala
It's
na.
not here. Maybe that. Declare today. We are
We don't
never
buy
gonna
avocado.
buy avocado. You can see that.
Can you?
Yeah.
We have three.
But your avocado possibly have fruit.
No.
Eventually.
They will eventually.
Because it depends. They don't. We have two kinds that's supposed to cover the whole season. The small ones
Sila po
not
ay
You always buy avocado.
alam niyo.
and oranges we have three.
Even avocado, just avocado and tomatoes and bread. It's good
Dito lang tayo.
if you want your to go.
So
Can you say hi to all the kakurachas out there?
Hello.
Kakurachas.
Orange one?
Gorachas.
And oranges are sweet.
So you're saying hi to all the kakurachas.
wait.
Hello, Karacha.
Kakurachas.
Karacha.
So, what is
Our superstar. No, the one with no pay. It's tangerine.
yeah, the tangerines are earlier. That's
Yeah.
why you think it's sweet. Because
Twinning,
it's
twinning.
Yes.
That's a
They
nice
ripen
color.
flower.
We haven't checked it.
Let's go on board of you.
House for a while.
So you gotta, you don't, everything will be sweet.
Yeah.
The reason why it's sour is because you're not waiting for it.
Sir, can you say hi to all the
If it's
kakurachas?
orange, no, it's sweet now. A Valencia,
Para kan si Enrico sa ano yung ayaw magsalita eh. Kay
even
ano
if
si
it's
Mary.
something that doesn't mean it's right.
But it's already March. It should be okay.
Oh yeah, they should be. I mean, we're
Sa akin, gusto pa ako. Masal pang jacket kasi hindi
Thank
ako.
you.
Ito naman kay Don Paratot.
One birthday cake.
Hindi naman kay Piolo.
That's your syrup, right?
Yeah, serum, right? More coffee.
Yes, thank you.
Yata si Boy. What did you have?
You don't have to share with me.
What do you
I have strawberry French toast.
What about you?
I'm having a double cheeseburger. See, there's double layers of meat and onion rings.
I have a French toast slam.
Piolo will not answer, so I will not ask. Let's ask Don Paratot. What is that, Don Paratot?
Bacon, avocado, cheeseburger.
Okay. So I have two hands, the left and the right.
Thank you, sir.
You want a little more? Yeah. Thank you.
Let's eat mga kuracha. Tingnan niya mga kuracha, oh. Kita ba nila?
We can't schedule
Ang sarap.
my food.
Kain po. Sarap po niya.
You ready to the best?
They did that last Saturday. I would know this after. I think that's why I couldn't sleep. Today, probably around
Kaso saan mo ito?
Kaya nga.
takes about a week. I took it on Saturday.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin alam. Ang sarap pala nito, pero mamantika. Boyat, can you pass a... Thank you.
Abot na isang strawberry dyan.
Ito ba? I got it.
I don't know why they're so skimpy on
Ali said, oh, it's a manager of McDonald's. It's not going to be enough to support her.
It's good.
It's like short cycle.
So Riley, they should have paid for the whatever, a little expenses for education instead of building the house, buying the property, you know? That needs to be the investment. It's education.
Yeah, but gumagana yan. Canada is a good education system. It's inexpensive even for international students.
Ali said they're planning to go back to the country. So why?
What? And they're planning to go back to the Philippines.
Sino? Oh. Oh, yeah?
They don't want to
But the kids will stay.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah?
Tell him.
So I heard.
Back and scoliosis. So
And now he's working at Costco.
I know that's why I think they was working in Costco.
He's working at Costco.
He was only working 5 hours.
Report.
The report?
Medical issue.
Oh, and I think Andrea is working at Costco now.
Oh, yeah? But still. Nasaan si Ate Alice? Bala ko sasama. Which one?
It's okay.
Which one? About? No, it's not. It's not. What do you call this? Yeah, I know.
She knows it too. She said something on Facebook. That she wants to go. From work. To this brunch. Because we were talking about this on Facebook. Never appeared.
What?
But I have many blocking me.
Because you don't want to be seen. That's why. No, me too. I don't have makeup.
Only because I wasn't wearing a hat.
Now it's your turn to shine.
Proudness.
You gave me a hard time editing it.
I didn't know you.
That's
I
why
would
it took me
have
like
been
couple-
fine. I was just. And it's really obvious too that.
I know, right?
Yeah,
It's obvious if you put the heart. So when is your dad having the surgery? Open heart?
they don't
They
know.
scheduled it, yeah.
They just found out. They just told him take it easy.
Yeah, usually when they find out you have the blockage, they want to do it right away.
That kind of. Does he still have ideas?
Yeah.
Yan, idea? Uy, ang pangit na ng ka-business, ano?
Hindi na
Ako din. Kasi kung ano-ano yung pinalalabas nila.
Oh, did you have a? I saw you had a session yesterday.
What?
Mary Ann had an.
Yeah.
She started doing it again. Were there people?
No. Not that much. I saw the... When it's already done, I saw who watch it just like 30 plus. Those are not included in the live, you know. Of course. It's been a while, that's why.
That's why.
And all I know, I've been we're live. Shout out.
You can't finish it?
Bye-bye mga kurasya, mamaya
Okay, my
ulit.
friends. Everything okay?
Thank you. Ito mga kurasya.
No, it's
Nangyay
not.
sa akin ng bawasan.
And I don't want to
Thank
change.
you.
I don't want to change the roof, okay, before it's due.
Thank you. Don't kasi nag-almusal kami konti.
We have this one.
Or you didn't tell them.
Why don't you just give it to them when you?
Hold on, I have 20% discount.
You mean the card? It's expired. So
Nag-aagawan po sila sa pagbabayad.
Either of this.
Excuse me po. Hindi po tayo makiagaw. Kaya ay maraming kapirahan.
Are you sure you want to split?
I think the 20% is higher than this, right? Huh?
Busog. Take out na lang
Yeah,
ito.
20% better.
Yeah, that one's better.
Goodness, I'm so
The entire
full.
check, right?
Hindi na kumain talaga.
And you think we can add an ARP?
No, I don't think so.
This gets
Yeah. Almost like on her birthday, we're almost on vacation.
Hindi na ubos. Kaunti lang nakain.
instead of, I want to go to McDonald's.
Kinakamusta po pala kayo ng banks ko, mga karatsa.
Just like you want to. Lolo. I want lumpia. Lolo made lumpia. Lola. I made cookies, you know.
Nauna pang gumayakin sa kanila.
Where's your car? You have your bottles.
We'll park here on this side. Po sila. Kami ay may pupuntahan pa sila din. Kanya-kanya kaming destinationes ever. So, parking nila dito. Thank you! So, bye-bye!
I will see you on the 3rd, hopefully. When we wrap up the clock.
Bye-bye.
Maybe the 31st. Is the day.
Okay. Oh, that's good.
Bye-bye na!
Diba, ingat kayo. Nauna pang gumagayak to sa inyo eh.
Siyempre.
I saw a ticket for 800 something.
Oh, yeah?
China, it's
When-
China Airlines. But
China Airlines?
China Airlines is like partners with.
Come on, all right, the China Airlines.
No, it goes to Taipei.
I want it
Oh,
to
it's nice. I want to go to Taipei.
Huh?
I
Why?
want to go to Taipei.
Oh, you want to go to Taipei? Yeah. Taipei.
Ginny, Kuya, salamat. Thank you, guys. Take care. Drive safely. Kuya,
Okay,
ingat. Bye-bye.
Thank you for this.
For that heart, Harry. Kuya,
Boye, thank you.
o Papa change oil. Oil change.
I'll take.
Ingat mga kurat ching-ching.
Bye! Jeanette. It's in it. Wait. Gamakas kayo.